Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Today, I will show a step-by-step system to index backlinks fast. Start by auditing new backlinks and grouping them by domain authority and relevance. Export URLs to a CSV and list 50 target URLs per batch for processing. Check each URL response time and HTTP status using an automated crawler or tool. Remove duplicates and prioritize pages with 3, 5% or higher trust metrics. Prepare outreach, social shares, and ping services to trigger recrawl requests. Schedule indexing tasks in blocks of 10 to avoid rate limits and detection. Use multiple indexing pathways together for faster results and redundancy. Use Index Now and submit up to 10 URLs per API call for instant push indexing. Submit 25 URLs via Google Search Console URL inspection for prioritized recrawl and monitor request quotas. Create or update a sitemap and ping search engines to draw attention to changed URLs. Share backlinks on social profiles and RSS feeds to attract crawler visits within 24 to 72 hours. Use third-party ping services and authenticated API submissions to increase success rates. Automate your workflow to scale stable indexing without manual busywork each day. Automate submissions with a cron job running every 48 hours for consistent indexing and to respect rate limits. Log every submission with timestamp, method used, and HTTP response in a CSV or database. Track indexing status in a spreadsheet and expect updates within 3 days typically, though some pages index faster. Prioritize the top 10 backlinks by traffic value and repeat submissions weekly for stubborn pages. Review crawler logs and adjust timing to maximize success and minimize costs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.